Hey friends, welcome back to another Keto Chow myChow surprise box unboxing. This is the box for February, and I know everyone says it, but I cannot believe we are already at February. This year is already flying by. Okay, so if you have never heard of Keto Chow, I mean, where have you been? Seriously. Keto Chow is a complete meal shake. They have tons, I don't even know how many, tons of delicious flavors. They're always coming out with new flavors as well that are super fun. And it's just a way to make your keto lifestyle easier. There's no like magic weight loss pill in each shake that makes you automatically lose weight. It's just a shake that is keto friendly, that has great macros for keto. It's perfectly formulated to fit your needs as far as nutrients and minerals. You get to add your own fat source to it, and you can add as much as you want, so you can make it as high calorie or low calorie as you need. And it's just convenient and fun. I have found for me that the convenience factor is huge. I absolutely love that. When I'm busy, I can just mix together a shake and drink it on the go. I also love the fun factor of it. I think any way that we can make our lifestyle more exciting, sometimes it's sad when you have to give up sugar and, you know, all the fun food that everyone is eating all day long around us. And, you know, we can have fun too. And Keto Chow really does a great job of making it fun with all the different flavors, lots of different recipes that you can make. You don't have to just do shakes. You can do puddings and cakes and cookies and all kinds of different things with Keto Chow. So it's super versatile, super fun, and my kids also really enjoy it. And that's been a really fun thing for me to do with them, is to, you know, make some Keto Chow recipes, try different new flavors with them. And it kind of replaces that fun we used to have eating less healthy food. We still get to have the fun while keeping it healthy. I only have one helper here helping me unbox today. The other ones just have so many more important things to do, apparently. Okay, you get to, should we go back and forth, or do you want to do all of them?
We can go back and forth. Don't get in my hair.
Okay, you go first. Pull out the first one.
Apple pie.
Apple pie.
That's good for
Christmas.
Winter.
Well, so this is February. The box is for February. You know what holiday is in February?
No.
Valentine's Day.
Um.
What flavor do you think would be good for Valentine's Day?
Maybe pistachio. That might be good.
Okay. Salted caramel.
Mm.
Lots of chocolate and candies are given on Valentine's Day, so caramel is good.
Ooh, this is a new one. What
New
is this?
package.
Chocolate toffee.
Chocolate toffee. Look at this beautiful new package.
It looks so good.
It does look so good. It looks like almond roca or something.
The new packages always look so delicious.
Another new package. Lemon meringue in the new packaging. So pretty. Okay.
Ooh, chocolate mint.
Chocolate mint. That's a favorite around here. I had that for breakfast.
Oh.
No, wait. I had chocolate peanut butter for breakfast. I almost had chocolate mint, and then I was like, I'll have chocolate peanut butter. Okay. Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Irish cream.
That's perfect one. Is that coffee?
Yeah.
It's perfect one for you.
It is.
Chocolate mint again.
Another chocolate mint. Mocha, another perfect one for me, because that's coffee also. How did we work that out? Okay, go ahead.
Ooh, another chocolate toffee.
Another chocolate toffee. I love chocolate toffee. It's so good. All right, my turn.
Let's
See, I think that's all the small ones. Do you want to pull out the big bag? Here's the recipe cards. Go ahead and pull out the big bag.
Yeah.
New packaging.
Wait, what is it? Raspberry cheesecake.
Raspberry cheesecake. Okay, this is perfect for Valentine's Day because raspberry cheesecake is pink.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, is that the only pink flavor?
Yeah.
That I can think of.
Was there a little word at the bottom?
Oh, strawberry is pink. It's special.
Don't blame the butter for what the carbs did.
Don't blame the butter for what the carbs did. Ain't that the truth? All right, big bag. Raspberry cheesecake. That's amazing. We got the 2 chocolate toffees. We got the 2 chocolate mints. Lots of chocolate in here. Just perfect for Valentine's Day. We got our coffee flavors, apple pie, and salted caramel. I wonder if these would be good mixed. Be like a caramel apple pie.
Ooh.
That'd be good to try.
Or lemon.
And then lemon meringue pie. All right, that is the myChow box for February. That's a pretty good one, huh?
Why do they look so good?
I know, they look, I love this new packaging.
They need to make
So pretty.
a recipe that's to make this.
To make the chocolate toffee? Yeah, I bet there's some
And
recipe out there to
this.
make that.
The lemon meringue.
Lemon meringue pie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it looks so good. Now for the recipe cards, which is another fun thing about the surprise myChow box. The other boxes where you pick your own flavors, you don't get recipe cards. But with the myChow surprise, they pick the flavors and then they pick some recipe cards that go with those flavors. So you want to do the first one?
Okay.
Irish.
Irish coffee mug cake.
Ooh, Irish coffee mug cake. That looks good. Do you want to do all of them or do you want me to do one?
You can do it.
We'll go back and forth. Raspberry cream cheese stuffed waffles. That looks good. That's going to use the raspberry cheesecake or vanilla keto chow.
Yeah.
Ooh,
This is
you
good.
wanted a recipe for that.
Yes,
And
chocolate toffee cookie bars.
They came through. We're going to have to try that one. That one looks really good.
I think we should make that one.
Yeah. Apple kugel. Is that how you say it? Apple kugel. That looks yummy. Oh, it uses hearts of palm pasta in this.
What?
Interesting.
Oh, this one looks good. Mint chocolate
Crackle.
crackle cookies.
That
looks
does
really
look good. Mint chocolate crackle cookies. And this one has no almond flour. That one looks real good. All right, those are the recipes.
I really want to make the cookie bars.
The chocolate toffee cookie bars. Those are the recipes, and that is the February surprise myChow box. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and we'll see you again in another video.
Bye.
Bye.